Are you craving some Jamaican style curry, tripe and bean? Well, look no further, I've got you covered. This one is easy to prepare, tastes so delicious, and you can make it yourself at home. So here is how I serve this up for my Sunday dinner. So let's jump straight into the ingredients. First step is to prepare our tripe, and I'm going to clean this up, cut off the excess fat, and cut these in some bite-sized pieces. So welcome back to the channel. If it's the first time here, welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for future uploads. And to my dearly returning supporters, I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks for all the support. So let's get into this. Continue watching and I'll come back in a bit. As you can see, all these fresh and blended spice putting in my tripe. And a trick I normally do when I'm cooking tripe, guys, I always put a bit of cooking oil so that the curry can stick to the tripe. I don't know. Tell me in the comment section if when you're preparing tripe, if you do it like that. But I normally add a bit of oil when I'm making my curry tripe. So now I'm just going to massage this very well and cover and allow this to marinate overnight, and I'll come back tomorrow morning when it's time to cook. Continue watching, guys.
2,000 years later.
So here I'm back bright and early Sunday morning. I'm adding a bit of oil to my pot and I'm going to add my curry and allow that to toast. Then I'm going to add my well marinated cow tripe. Stir this well Cover my pot and allow it to sweat while we put water for boiling. We need hot water to cook this, guys, so make sure you have your pot on the other side of the stove or your kettle with water, but whichever way, we need hot water. And here I'm back after around 5 minutes. I'm going to rinse my season bowl with my hot water, pour on my meat. You don't need to put a lot of water, guys. Little by little water we need. We don't need it to be like a soupy texture. And we cover that bit by bit until it's cooked. So while our tripe cooking, I'm going to prep some extra seasons and a carrot. So when it's time to add this for making sauce, then we have that ready. So continue watching, guys, and I'll come back in a bit. So much peace and joy. So here I'm back and my tripe tender enough. I doesn't like tripe when it's mushy soft. I need to chew a bit. So this is how I like my tripe. So now I'm going to add my extra seasons that we prepared earlier. Now I'm going to add this along with the old pepper and stirred and add a bit more hot water so this can start simmer to make my sauce. So I'm going to use a bean, but this is not broad bean, this is cannoli bean. You can use broad bean if you have it available, but I'm using what available to me at this moment. So I'm just going to add my bean and allow this to simmer. Adjust taste if needed, and then we can serve. But I'll come back when it's time to serve this up, guys. But if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so at this moment. Also, guys, like the video, share, and drop me a comment if you like cow tripe, yes or no. I'm going to search for the other names of cow tripe in other countries so I can add this also in my title. Yes, I think that's a good idea. So I'll come back then, guys. Continue watching. Here is my curry tripe and bean already. And here I serve up a bowl just for presentation purposes. Yes. Take a screenshot now. Yes. So this is what I prepared for my Sunday dinner, and I serve it with some rice and peas, fried plantain, baked chicken, fresh salad, cabbage salad. Dinner was very delicious and everyone enjoyed. So please, guys, I hope that you did watch to the end. So now just like the video, share, drop me a comment below, like the video as well, and do subscribe for more. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.